Welcome to Display Museum. I am Dr. Pan, the curator of the museum.
Hello, Dr. Pan. I'm Greg. I came here to learn about Edge LED Backlight.
Hello, Greg.
LED backlight can be divided into Edge LED Backlight and Bottom LED Backlight by the location of the light source. The distinctive feature of the Edge LED Backlight is that the LED light source is on the edge. Let us check the structure. From top to bottom, diffusion sheet, light guide plate, and reflection sheet. The light emitted from the LED light source enters into the light guide plate and is evenly distributed to the surface. There are a series of advantages of Edge LED Backlight if we compare it with Bottom LED Backlight. Number 1. The unit price is much cheaper because of the simple structure. Maybe it is only a quarter of the cost as Bottom LED Backlight. Number 2. It is energy efficient over Bottom LED Backlight since a smaller number of LEDs will be applied. Number 3. Much thinner. It can meet the trend of electronic products, which is getting thinner and thinner. The thinner, the more expensive.
Thank you, Dr. Pan. Now I got it.
You are welcome to contact us if you have any questions.